Hello, in this video we're going to take a look at how to access the homework assignments in MyOpenMath. So once you log into Canvas, go ahead and click into the MyOpenMath link in this box and wait for the MyOpenMath window to open. So there are basically two ways to access a homework assignment here. The first way is via the calendar. So let's say I wanted to access homework 2. I would click on the day where it appears in the calendar. That's its due date. It's telling you down here below now that it's due at 11:59 p.m. And the link that says use a late pass, which we'll cover in another video, says that this is eligible for a late pass. So the first way, as I just said, is to use the calendar and then to click on the link down here below the calendar. The other way is to locate the homework 2 link in its weekly folder. So since in this example video, homework 2 would be appearing in week 1, 2, 3, up at the top, you would look for week 3, open that folder and look for the homework 2 link. Most students tend to use the calendar since it's very visual and it tells you what the due dates are. So we'll do that here. We will open homework 2 by clicking on its link below the calendar. And then you'll see that there's 19 questions. There's a print version link, which allows you to sort of print everything if you want to do that. This particular system allows you to jump around and look at different questions in different order. So notice, let's say if we're in question 19 or 17, it's asking you for the mean of this set of numbers. You would enter your answer in the box that's provided. Notice that there's a hint below the box that's telling you to enter an integer or a decimal number. So let's just say I typed in a wrong answer and click submit. This is going to tell me that I have an incorrect answer. It's going to give me 0 points. It's telling me here with this X and the red box, if you can see the color red, that this is incorrect. And it's telling me that I'm now on attempt 2 of 3 and what my score is in the gradebook. So what I could do is try attempt number 2 or 3, redo the calculation and check it. If it turns out that I can't get it correct, or for whatever reason I want to try another similar question, when that button is available and you click it, it's going to allow you to generate a new set of random numbers and start the problem over. So if I click this, you'll see that I have a new set of numbers. I'm now reset to attempt 1 of 3, and I can continue to try this kind of problem with no penalty. So that's a really nice feature. It's not available on all questions. For example, question 1 here, which is a StatCrunch question, actually it's telling you here that these cannot be regenerated, so be careful. You're only going to have 3 attempts on this kind of problem. And so if you were to enter in incorrect answers, which I'm doing here, and click submit, it's going to tell you that you're on attempt 2 of 3. And notice up at the top, you're not seeing that button that says try a similar question. So be careful, watch for that. If it doesn't appear, it means that that problem is not being regenerated for you. And so you've got just a limited number of attempts. When you're working on homework, every single time you click this submit button, your answers will be recorded as long as you see this screen that gives you feedback about what points you have and whether or not the answers are correct with these little X's or these checks. There is no need to submit your assignment in whole in any way, because each of your individual answers that are submitted with these buttons are automatically put into your gradebook. There is a link down here that you can see a summary of your scores, but I suggest you not use that until after you've completed all of the problems in the assignment. So that's a little bit about how homework works. In other videos, we'll explore other things like using the late passes and how to post to the forums.